Hello traders, welcome to another video from our LTR group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty are going to be behaving. What are the levels for crude oil and a couple of stocks that I've picked for you for tomorrow. So let us quickly understand with Nifty to start with. Now, in terms of Nifty, I just want you to go ahead and change it to a line chart to understand the kind of price action that it is trying to do over here. So it is trying to create the tops, guys. Over here, if you would want to understand, it is trying to create some tops. So most probably, due to the result season, there might be a breakout that I'm anticipating over here. Because over here, what it is planning to do is it is planning to create a particular channel in which it wants to stay. So over here, what is going to happen is that it is going to go ahead and ensure everybody becomes a bear and then becomes a bull again, and then bear and consolidate, and then have a massive breakout, which is going to take out 18,000. So for that, what I would want you to do is at this moment, my advice is not to trade in the index until and unless the 18,000 is being broken over here decisively by Nifty is when I would want you to actually plan for. But however, if you're looking for the levels for tomorrow, then as soon as it takes out 17,871, then you can look for a very quick target over here at 17,956. So this target is most probably achievable. So this 79 points can actually happen, because if there is a little gap down and it gets the push, it will go ahead and reach there. But however, until and unless this particular trend line is not broken, I don't want you to get bearish. But once this trend line is broken, then you can have the other peaks as targets set for yourself. So this one over here and this one. So let's say, for an example, it breaks here, then you should be able to go ahead and say this would be your target. Put the previous swing high as your stop loss and then trail it forward. And then thereafter, if this is what is broken decisively, then you can look for a larger targets over here at the bottom at 17,459, and that would be a close to 1% that you can actually have for. So these are the levels for Nifty. Now let's go ahead with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also creating those highs. Just want to tell you. So it is not yet in my trending area at this moment, but however, I would want to tell you that even this has a particular trend line, and this also has a support of a trend line from the bottom. So it is also going to go ahead, create a channel over here, and then try to break out. But however, if tomorrow, if it moves above 38,113, then you can look for a quick scalp over here and wait for a 10-minute candle to break 38,400, and then you can actually go long for 39,000 over there. But however, if this particular trend line is broken, like how I've told you in Nifty, so whenever it is broken over here at this area, put a stop loss on the previous swing and wait for the next target, and that would be achievable. So I would say a clear cut trade would be below 37,500 for a 37,000 as a target. Now, in terms of crude oil, this is getting a bit volatile over here. So I just want you to go ahead and check on this particular trend line over here. And this trend line gives you an idea that it has already reversed itself right now. So if you change it towards a candle, so you can see a particular breakout that it is trying to do. But however, if you would see the price action over here completely, explains that there is a downward pattern that it is trying to follow. So this might be a fake breakout, but however, if there is another bottom that is made over here onto the top, then you can go ahead, look for a target, and that target, once 5,800 is being broken, so that target would be for you at 5,877. So that would be the first target, and the second target would be an all-time high over here. So this should be a very clear and crisp trade. If you're trading after market hours, this can be a case for you. But however, I will be looking for any bearish trades only below 5,624. Now, stocks I picked up for tomorrow is Irctc. Now, Irctc was trying to consolidate, fall, and so on and so forth, but it has made some massive candles. So I want to be honest with you, I'm looking at a target of 5,000 over here in Irctc that is going to be achieved. So most probably what you can do is you can actually go ahead and wait for these levels. And tomorrow, if it is taking that high, then I want you to positionally keep your targets ready with a price action for 5,000, and there you can book your longs. However, in Tata Motors as well, I'm pretty aggressive that this particular stock in the next coming days is going to take out 400. So we at Live Trading would also be monitoring this stock. Once it moves above 382.95, we'll be looking for some aggressive targets and positionally take it towards somewhere around 400 is what we are looking for. So these are the levels for tomorrow. I hope this helps you in your analysis and your trading. I hope your day goes profitable tomorrow. I thank you so much for your time. And if you want to join our live trading forum, please visit www.rltgroup.com. And there is a link to our Telegram channel in the description below. You can join us there as well. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful and blessed day ahead. Jai Hind. Take care. Goodbye.